Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a potentially huge shift in the tech landscape. The question on everyone's mind, could AMD and ServiceNow actually surpass Palantir in market value? Sounds crazy, right? But hear me out. We're going to break down the numbers, the strategies, and the hidden risks to see if this is a realistic possibility. Get ready for a wild ride. First up, AMD. They've been making serious waves in the semiconductor industry, especially with their focus on AI chips. Think about it. The AI revolution is here, and every company needs the hardware to power it. AMD is positioning itself to be a major player, challenging even the giants like NVIDIA. Analysts are predicting a target price of $250, a whopping 127% upside. Can they pull it off? We'll see. Now, let's talk about ServiceNow. They're the king of digital workflow solutions, and they're doubling down on AI. They're about to unleash a wave of new AI capabilities that could transform how businesses operate. The projected upside? A cool 40%, with a target price of $1,426. But is that just hype, or is ServiceNow truly revolutionizing the way we work? So, where does Palantir fit into all of this? They've been a darling of the tech world for a while, known for their data analytics prowess and government contracts. But are they losing momentum? The argument is that AMD and ServiceNow's growth potential might simply be higher right now, attracting more investor attention and ultimately a higher market cap. But is this the end of Palantir? Absolutely not. It's just a matter of shifting priorities in the market. Let's break down the direct, first-order impacts of this potential shift. We're talking about increased investment in AMD and ServiceNow, driving up their stock prices. We're talking about investors potentially reallocating their portfolios, shifting funds away from Palantir. And we're talking about both AMD and ServiceNow pouring even more money into research and development, fueling further innovation. This is where the real excitement begins. Let's zoom in on AMD's stock. That $250 target price? That's not just a random number. It's based on the expectation that AMD will significantly increase its sales and revenue, driven by the demand for its AI chips. But remember, the stock market is a roller coaster. Can AMD deliver on those expectations? That's the million-dollar question. And what about ServiceNow's AI capabilities up? Imagine AI automating tasks, predicting problems, and optimizing processes. This could be a game-changer for businesses of all sizes. But the key is execution. Can ServiceNow deliver on the promise of AI-powered workflows? Now, let's think about the second-order impacts, the ripples in the pond. If AMD successfully challenges NVIDIA, we'll see increased competition in the semiconductor industry. This could lead to faster innovation and potentially lower prices for consumers. And the growth of AMD and ServiceNow will fuel the broader AI industry, benefiting companies specializing in AI software, hardware, and services. This is a rising tide lifting all boats. Don't forget about cloud computing. ServiceNow relies heavily on cloud-based services, so their growth will drive demand for platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. These cloud providers are the backbone of the AI revolution, providing the infrastructure and resources needed to power these advanced technologies. It's a symbiotic relationship, and ServiceNow's dominance in IT service management, ITSM, means they're shaping the future of the entire industry. Their AI-powered solutions are pushing competitors to innovate and adopt similar technologies. This is a race to the top, and the winners will be the companies that can deliver the most efficient and intelligent solutions. All this growth means one thing: increased demand for talent. We're talking about AI engineers, data scientists, and other related professionals. The AI skills gap is already a major challenge, and it's only going to get worse. Companies need to invest in training and education to ensure they have the talent they need to succeed in the AI era. This is a call to action for aspiring tech professionals. Let's zoom out and look at the third-order impacts, the big picture. The growth of AMD, ServiceNow, and related industries will lead to job creation, driving economic growth. And their technologies will enhance business productivity, leading to greater efficiency and innovation across various industries. This is a virtuous cycle of growth and progress. We're talking about a potential boost to the overall economy, particularly in regions where these companies are concentrated. Increased investment, innovation, and job creation. It all adds up to a more prosperous future. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We need to be aware of the potential risks and challenges. While job creation is great, the benefits of growth in the tech sector may not be evenly distributed. This could potentially exacerbate existing income inequalities if opportunities are not accessible to diverse populations. We need to ensure that everyone has a chance to participate in the AI revolution. This is a matter of social justice. And as AI becomes more prevalent, ethical considerations become increasingly important. We're talking about bias, privacy, and job displacement. These issues need to be addressed to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably and responsibly. This is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral imperative. Finally, as more and more business processes are automated and digitized, cybersecurity risks will increase. We need to be vigilant about protecting our data and systems from cyber attacks. This is a constant battle, and we need to stay one step ahead of the criminals. Okay, let's dive into the potential risks. First, the technical risks. For AMD, it's all about competition in the AI accelerator space. They're facing fierce rivals like NVIDIA, who currently dominate the market. AMD needs to keep innovating and improving its technology to effectively compete. This includes keeping pace with CUDA compatibility and new AI architectures. It's a tough fight, and AMD's future success hinges on its ability to continue developing cutting-edge AI chips. There's always a risk that R&D efforts may not yield the desired results, or that competitors may develop superior technology faster. This is particularly true given the rapid pace of advancement in AI and semiconductor design. It's a high-stakes gamble. ServiceNow's growth is tied to its impending launch of new AI capabilities. A technical risk exists if these AI capabilities are not as effective, reliable, or user-friendly as expected. Furthermore, successfully integrating these new AI features into their existing digital workflow solutions is crucial. Poor integration could lead to customer dissatisfaction and hinder adoption. It's all about execution. Now, let's talk about business risks. The semiconductor industry is cyclical and sensitive to economic conditions. A downturn in the economy or changes in demand for PCs and data center infrastructure could negatively impact AMD's revenue and stock price. Buckle up for a bumpy ride. AMD's future projections rely heavily on soaring AI sales. If these sales do not materialize as expected due to competition, market saturation, or other factors, AMD may not meet its financial targets. It's a risky bet. ServiceNow has had slight misses in sales estimates. While the company is growing, consistently missing sales estimates could erode investor confidence and negatively affect its stock price. They need to deliver on their promises. ServiceNow's success depends on organizations widely adopting digital transformation and AI solutions. If adoption rates are slower than anticipated, or if organizations choose alternative solutions, ServiceNow's growth could be limited. It's a race against time. ServiceNow's growth might be tempered by broader economic factors. Economic downturns could reduce spending on digital transformation initiatives, impacting ServiceNow's revenue. The economy is a wild card. Finally, let's address the ethical risks. Both AMD and ServiceNow face the ethical risk of AI bias. If the data used to train their AI models is biased, the resulting AI systems could perpetuate and amplify unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring fairness and transparency in AI. As companies that handle large amounts of data, both AMD and ServiceNow face significant data privacy and security risks. A data breach or privacy violation could have serious legal and reputational consequences. Robust data governance and security measures are essential. Our data must be protected. The increasing automation of tasks through AI could lead to job displacement. Both AMD and ServiceNow contribute to this trend. Companies need to consider the social impact of automation and invest in retraining and upskilling programs. We need to prepare for the future of work. So, back to our original question. Could AMD and ServiceNow actually surpass Palantir in market value? The answer is, it's complicated. It all depends on how well they execute their strategies, how the market evolves, and how they address the ethical challenges. This is a story that's still unfolding, so stay tuned. Before you go running out and buying stock in AMD or ServiceNow, remember to do your own research. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Invest wisely and good luck. And don't forget to subscribe to the AI Tech channel for more insights and analysis on the latest trends in artificial intelligence and technology. Thanks for watching.